Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What week am I on? I forgot. I think I got the cut back in May or July. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, okay. So I could just go off the last video. That make perfect sense. I'm just gonna go off the last update that I did here. YouTube, Facebook. It is your boy HB3 in the building, and yes, I'm coming to y'all with an update. Finally, it's 5 weeks later from my last update, and this is going to be week 10 week 10 update to the waves. I got a fresh, nice little haircut a couple of days ago, so I'm a little happy about that because your boy was looking rough after he came back from his vacation. You feel me? But hey, guess what? I'm happy to be back. 10 weeks of woofing. I haven't had my first haircut officially yet at all. I haven't had a haircut yet. So this is crazy, man. This is crazy. So let's hop on into the update right quick. Before we go ahead and take the do-rags off, I do want to say if you have any questions, concerns, need help with your waves, anything like that, please get at me. My information, once again, is always going to be down in the description below. And of course, make sure you subscribe to your boy because I'm putting out a lot of information that can help a lot of you get your waves on point, okay? Because some of y'all waves, I'm going to tell you right now, some of y'all waves ain't looking all that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all doing your thing, but I'm trying to get you over the hump. I'm trying to make you better. You feel me? So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it. I do want to let y'all see. Hold on. Let me see if it'll focus. There we go. Check your boy cap out though. Check your boy. It's a do-rag under there, of course, but check this monsoon cap out though. Oh my. With the logo on the front right there. That thing was nice. So let me see if I can get closer on it. Ooh. With the logo. Okay. You think it's mesh, but it ain't mesh. Look at that. Please get at my boy CJ Monsoon, man. This guy makes some dope caps, some dope do-rags. Really cold, man. But that ain't what y'all came here for. We ain't gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna talk about this 10-week update. Let's go. So of course, I'm digging the waves right now, man. Looking pretty good. Let me just pull up on you real quick. Let me pull up on you. As you can see, I'm brushing. Trying to get them waves to come here good how I want them. Still got some work to do on that crown, but you see it coming in though, that beehive coming in. Hold on, oh, yeah, I was getting away from the camera. My bad, I'm trying to get y'all to see the whole pattern, you feel me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So of course I told my barber, shout out to my barber, Josh the Barber, man. If you don't know who he is, if you ever come into Chattanooga, Tennessee, definitely hit up my man Josh the Barber, one of the best in my city, if not the best. Young cat man doing this thing, he's taking off, he's gonna be big, I'm just letting y'all know. But really I had to tell him that I'm starting to see my waves on the sides, and because I'm seeing my waves on the sides, I'm like, I'm really digging the waves on the sides. So I was like, yo, I gotta come down on the tapers a little bit. I gotta come down on the fade, because the fade too high, and I'm digging them right coming in right here. So I'm like, yeah, let me bring it back down some. You feel me? You know, I can get a full little pattern in now. You know, so that's what I've been doing. Other than that, that's 10 weeks. This is 10 weeks of hair, people. I don't even know how long it is, to be honest. I don't even think it's that long. Hold up, let me see. Let me see right quick. Focus, damn it. Okay, it's pretty long. Actually, it's pretty long. Okay, so my hair actually is pretty long. So that is, I guess that is kind of normal for a 10-week wolf. But as your hair continuously grows, it'll slow down. So it is what it is. The growth will slow down as it grows. So with that being said, man, thank y'all for coming here for the 10-week wolf that I have going on. Like I said, haven't had my first haircut yet since I've started the pattern. But it is what it is. I appreciate it. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's your boy HB3, and I'm out of here.